Have you ever wondered how crude oil, a thick black liquid beneath the earth, becomes the fuel that powers nearly 800 million vehicles? Every day, the world needs over 7 billion liters of fuel to keep our vehicles moving and industries running. This transformation isn't simple. It's a complex, dangerous, and awe inspiring process driven by science and precision. Let's rewind time. Crude oil's origins date back millions of years, beginning as ancient marine plants and organisms. Over centuries, they were buried under layers of sediment, subjected to pressure and heat, and chemically transformed into oil. What was once organic matter is now black gold. Despite its foul smell, it's one of the most valuable resources on Earth. In oil rich regions like Texas, the work begins at sunrise under extreme heat and humidity. Specialized crews drill with millimetric precision to open multiple oil wells every month. Top oil companies like Occidental Petroleum drill roughly one new well each day. To find oil, geologists use seismic imaging to detect underground oil rich formations. Even with advanced tech, not every well is successful. Some turn out dry despite the effort. When oil is found, it's extracted using powerful rigs that drill thousands of meters into the earth. These drills cut through ancient rocks using diamond tipped bits, often encountering extreme conditions. To prevent overheating, high pressure water is constantly pumped to cool the equipment. Drilling requires exact pressure control. Too low, and the drill stalls. Too high, and it could explode. Pipes are added every few hours using an automatic double wrench weighing 5 tons. Initially, natural underground pressure helps push oil to the surface. But as pressure drops, giant piston pumps resembling metal syringes are used for extraction. These pumps convert circular motion into vertical thrust to bring oil to the surface. The raw crude, mixed with gases and impurities, is directed to a central gas removal system. Here, harmful gases like hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide are removed. The purified oil then travels through vast pipelines, some stretching over 1,000 kilometers. It arrives at massive refineries like the one in Texas, spanning 10 square kilometers. This refinery processes over 562,000 barrels daily with the help of more than 4,000 workers. Crude oil is a complex mix of hydrocarbons, each with different weights and uses. Through distillation, oil is heated beyond 370 degrees C, turning it into vapor. As it rises in a distillation tower, components separate by weight. Heavier ones fall, lighter ones rise. This process produces gasoline, diesel, kerosene, propane, and materials for plastics and asphalt. Even waste gases are used. Hydrogen sulfide is turned into sulfur for fertilizer. On average, 191 liters of crude produce 88 liters of gasoline and many other useful byproducts. Gasoline undergoes strict testing on engine dynamometers to assess performance and safety. These tests help refineries fine-tune fuel blends for maximum efficiency and reduced engine knocking. Once ready, gasoline travels through underground pipelines to distribution terminals. Tanker trucks then transport it to gas stations, a risky job requiring strict safety measures. Anti-static cables, vapor recovery systems, and sensors are used to prevent accidents. Every day, 4 million liters of gasoline move through this tightly controlled system. At the gas station, fuel is stored in underground tanks until it reaches your vehicle's engine. Behind each refueling stop lies a global chain of engineers, geologists, and logistics experts. It's a story of transformation, natural matter turned into energy through human ingenuity. So, next time you refuel, remember you're holding the result of millions of years and thousands of coordinated hours of effort, science, and technology.